class is basically for parents and children. The aim is to reduce the number of failure in mathematics and physics. Because I've seen that over time, we record large number of students failing maths and physics, and that they are so easy to understand. So I will be discussing some tricks that we can easily give to these children so that they can get everything right. So I don't think there will be much time to take addition, subtraction, and multiplication. We still have for division, we have for squaring, we have for exponential, we have for nth root, percentage. But for today, I will just stay by the addition and the subtraction, and then multiplication. I believe you can see my board. Can you see the board? Can you see the board? Hello? Can you see the board? No one is talking.
Yeah, more the board. Yeah, I can see the board.
Okay. That's good. So now the first thing here is to talk about addition. For instance, you have something like 128 plus 3, 4, let's say 6. This addition that we see here, ordinarily one will be thinking, okay, how will I add, how will I do that, how will I do that? We don't need that. All you just need to do, once you know that, okay, you need to add this thing, then sharp. For the previous one, we just say that, okay, is it not 128 plus 3, 4, 6? Then you take them together. Assuming what I have here, okay, I can let me just leave it like that. This one and this one need to come together, then you have 4. We have this middle here, coming here to give you 6. Then here and here give you 14. So definitely something cannot handle this one here. It can be 2 like that. So the last one we just say that is 4. Then we will have added 6 and 1 together at the middle here. Then put 4 at the back, making it what? 4, 7, 4. So this one is easier. So that one will not be pressing the calculator every time. Hello?
Can you come again, please?
I should come again? I said that yes. What we have here is so easy. Let me rewrite it. I wrote 128 plus 3, 4, 6. That is this beginning. We come with the beginning of the second one, giving you 4. The middle, come with the middle, give you 6. The end, goes towards the end, give you 14. This end here, any position that you have 2. The one that comes first must be replaced to the other level, which means that you'll be having 4. The middle one is having a brother with 4. You know, this number in the middle, then we have 4 here. So the answer is basically 4, 7, 4. That does it. I believe that one is clear. Right?
Yeah, it's clear.
They're very clear. Now,
It is clear.
okay. Now, with that, I want
Yes.
someone to now write this down. We have 1, 3, 4 plus 1, 8, 8. What would that be?
Okay. 2, 3. Three, 2, 2.
3, 2, 2, exactly. That does it. 3, 2, 2. So this one is coming with this one, making it 2. This 3 is coming with this 3, making it 11. And this 4 goes with this 8, making it 12. It means that what we are taking is we take these 2 down. This one is working with this 2. So 2 plus 1 here. So we take this one, then with this 1 here, then we add. Well, I'm very sorry. It was the internet problem. Very sorry for the interruption. Now let's go there. Let's go back to our class. Now, you have seen the first level, how to calculate simple addition. But in case it is not that, okay, let me just do a recap of the first thing we did. For those who are just coming in, what we did is the first thing here, and this is the classwork. So the first thing we did was how to add sharp. I made a preamble that this class is for both the parents and the children, because I realized that over time, students fail physics and maths easily, especially that maths. So how to combat it? It should be the work from the parents and the students at home. So that's why I'm teaching us some tricks that we can easily use and get it right, so that our children can get what we are doing. And after that, we'll now discuss what to be done for the students themselves, so that we can assist them towards achieving their goal. Now we have 1, 2, 8 plus 3, 4, 6. The first thing we do is look at up here. We take this one, the first number and the first number here, which gives us 4 when you add together. 2 here at the middle with 4 here at the middle, add together to give you 6. Then we have 8 here plus 6 here to give you 14. But the nature is that you can't write 2 things together. So what is in front must go to the next level. That is why we are taking this 1 here to 6, so that it will give us 4. Then at the middle we have 6 plus 1, then 4 at the end, making the answer to the what? So 4, 7, 7. I think that one is clear. Then the second one goes there, which was the classwork, and I think Dr. Babu got it right. So we had 1 plus 1 being the first one, giving you 2. The middle one, 3 plus 8, giving you 11. Then 4 plus 8, giving you 12. In the normal way, we take the first one here to join to making 3. We take this 1 here to join this 1 here, left here, to give us 3. I mean 2 again. Then take the last two down, make it 3, 2, 2. Hope it's all clear. Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now the next thing is we want to look at some other addition. Some other addition. Can you see the board?
Yes, you can see the board.
Okay, now this internet is unstable. I don't know why, and I'm using shift. How will shift not be stable? So, Dr. Bamiro, since you are now the host, admit people in, please. No problem.
I think that you are now the.
Okay, no problem.
Back, now they've made it the host.
Okay, no problem. Now, the next thing here is how do you add addition with number that is close to 100? How do I mean? Something that is very close to 100. For instance, you have one, let's say 264 plus, let's say 98. So this one should not give you stress at all. What you just do is, since you know that 98 is close to 100, by how? That's 24 plus 100 minus 2. Straightforward. So you don't waste time to add this. And you know, to add 100 to anything is easy. That's 364 minus 2 you are going to do. And the final answer will be 362. Shikema. So you don't waste time to add anything. Now look at this. We have 127 plus 192. Look at that. What do you do to this?
200 minus and you say 8.
So that will be what? What's the final answer?
Minus 8.
And what's the final answer? Final answer is what I'm saying.
Minus 3 to 7 minus 8.
119.
119.
No. It's 319.
319, thank you. So it's just 127 plus 200 minus 8. And we know that this thing is going to give you 327 minus 8. Now, you see, when you subtract a number like this, that they differ by 1, just know that the answer you are getting here is going to be 9. For instance, you have something like 14 minus 5. I know this is greater than this guy by 1. But I'm just subtracting 1 from 10. That's the final answer. So the answer is 9. Is that okay? So that's how to get your answer sharp. So here now, our answer, I know immediately that since 8 is here and I might see 7 here, I'll just change this thing to 319 straight. But if I now have this, if I have something like this, let's say what I now have is, what I'm having now is 1, 5, 6 plus 303. You know, this is quite easy.
That's 4, 5, 9. Yeah.
Plus 156 plus 3. 459.
The one we'll be doing, we have less than 100. What we have here is 156 plus 300 plus what? 3.
303.
And that's what?
Not 9 now.
We can easily add 300 to 156. And that will give us what? 456 plus 3. Then add that one. That will give you 459 straight. Yes, 459. Correct. So now, that is on that. Recap. What we've done so far is what? Is how to add. Let's now see. Yes, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. 459. Now let's see the subtraction part to see how beautiful mathematics is. How beautiful mathematics is. We are going for subtraction now. Now, what are we subtracting here? That one has its own method. Before we now go to multiplication.
This app will let you use your phone as a projector.
So the normal way we do the subtraction is
This app will let you use your
what we are going to take now. Now, let's say we are having the first level is preamble of subtraction. We have 174 minus 123. Look at that. This one is easier like that. I will do the way I do the other one. I will take the first minus the second. The first of the second. That's what? 0. 7 minus 2, 5. Then we have 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer is 51. That one is easier. Very, very easy to do. But in the case you now have something like 3, 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 8. Let's say 4, 8. Yes, it's okay. Now, what do we do here? What we do here is easy. This guy and this guy, the way we are going to do it now will be like what? It's like I will now take it to be what? 3 minus 2, and that's what? You know that's going to be 1 for sure. Yeah. And what I'm writing in this case, since it's not something easy like that, just write 100 for that case. The time is almost going, 10 minutes. So this one here, 2 minus 4 is what? So in this case, what you write here is as if you are doing 20 minus 40, because it is in 10 position. That's what you do. So that is what? Minus 20. Then here, you have 6 minus 8. That's minus 2. So what you are writing out for me now is 100 minus 20 minus 2. That's what? 80 minus 2. This is equal to what? 78. Sharp, sharp. I think it's clear. Is it clear? Yes or no?
It's clear.
Yes. Now I want you to tell me. Can you imagine?
Something here.
Let's say we have 196 minus 53. What will it be?
So this is 143.
Yes, 143.
143, correct?
143.
Yes. Look at this. This 1 minus, nothing is there. Just put 0 there. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So the answer is 143. But if you now have 312 minus 284.
Is 100 minus 70 minus 2.
Huh?
So that's 28.
Which one is 100?
You know you understand. 28. So
Were you not there when I was explaining?
I will explain to you later.
Okay, this one will be,
She
you
wasn't
take
there.
it as, okay, you take it as
Look at me.
300.
Look at me.
Now this will be 2 minus 200. Then this one
I mean, it's in 100
will
position.
be what? In 10 position, you are taking 10 minus 80. That's 8. 80 is in 80 position. But this one is in unit position. Unit position. You don't need to add anything at the back. That's 2 minus 4. In essence, what do we have? The first one is 100. Minus second one is minus 70. And the third one is minus 2. Which gives you what? 30 minus 2, which is 28. Chicken overturn. Just like that. Simple thing. Okay. Now, that one is gone like that. This thing will log us out automatically. We should come in for multiplication. That multiplication has a lot. But I will be able to do little today. Now, the first one we are doing for multiplication today is how do you multiply with 11? That one is quite easy. How do you multiply with 11? 11 times anything times anything. How do you do it? So how we do it is simple. 11 times Let's say 24. What we are doing here is you take these two. At the middle here, you add 2 plus 4. Then at the end there, you put 4 there. Your final answer will be 2, 6, 4. Is that okay?
Oh, what about the 11?
That is the answer. That's how you
What do you
multiply.
multiply it?
You see how you multiply easily without multiplying with 11, and you get your answer. What you need is take the first number down, 2, add the 2 numbers together at the middle, then you take the last number at the back. Then you have 2, 6, 4. That's the final answer. Is that okay? Let's try it with another one. Let's say we have 36 times 11. What do? We take 3 down. We add the 2 together. 3 plus 6. Then you take 6 at the end, the last number. So that will give you 3, 9, 6. This is the final answer. Hope is clear. Hope is clear. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, but should in case you have something like this,
It is clear. It is clear.
is it not clear? Now,
Yes, it is clear.
in case you have something like this, let's say you have something like this, 39 times 11. Now it becomes cumbersome. Okay, it becomes cumbersome here. This will give you, let's take 39 down. What is it? Okay, now take the first number down, 3, add the 2 together, 3 plus 9, take the last value, 9. So you'll be adding 3, this is 12, 9. As we always do, when you have 2 numbers at a position, you take it to the 9. So the answer will now be, is that clear also? Is that clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, someone is raising the hand.
Yes.
Someone is raising the hand. Adia Saida. Which one you don't understand, please? Adia Saida. Which one you don't understand? I would like to point out the students that they shouldn't get accustomed to not calling the number with their place. Well, such as saying 349, okay, instead of 349, okay, that's that. Thank you. Okay, now I think it's clear now. The 3 plus 1 is the equation of 100, that's 400. The 2 is the equation of 10, that's 20. Then 9 is the equation of, in unit, that will be 9. So 429 as the answer. Okay. Now, this thing will log us out now. We have less than 1 minute. We can log out so that we can log in back. So that we can log in back. So let's log, it will log out. I'll stop sharing it. Okay. My internet is not stable at all. It's not stable at all. I was just talking, I thought I've done justice to the open, but not. So what we are into now is how do you multiply two different numbers that starts with the same 10 digits, but they have different unit digits. Different unit digits. That some check the Hello. I said that what we do here is when you have two numbers that their beginning is the same, 10 digits the same, but unit digits different, and the unit digit can sum up to 10. What do you do at that time? What do you do at that time? For instance, I explained that when you have in primary school, we're taught 100 tens units. Anything that falls under this, let's say it is 2, this is like 200. It is in position of 200. This one, if it is 6, it means 60. In position of 10, just times 10. If here is 4, it's just ordinary 4. So it means that it is 264. So now, when you have something like this, how do you do it? Let me explain again, because I've explained before. I don't know that it was, we are not hearing anything. So let's say we have 32 times 38. This number at the beginning and this number at the beginning are the same. So what we do there is, these two, the way they will be done is 3 times the non, just add 1 to the 3. Then this one here, just multiply them straight. Just multiply 2 times 8. This one means 3 times 4. This means 16 here. This is 12. Then you have 16 here. So in essence, what we are saying here is that you join the two together and your answer will be 1,216. That's the final answer. The one I did initially was 23 times 27. These two and these two will give you 2 times 2 plus 1. Then this 3 times 7, this 3 times 7. This will give you 2 times what? Times 3. And this will give you 21. This is 6 here. 21. When you take the two together, we are having 621. Hope this one is clear. Hope it is clear.
Yeah, it is clear.
Now, I want you to do this for me. Since that one is clear, solve this. 41 times 49.
Serious. And that's 20 and 9. 209. 4 times 5 is 2. Where did you get to 442? It's 1 now. Anna. Yeah. No. Oh. 2009.
Can
2009. 2009.
Look at this.
Now what?
Can it be 209?
Okay. 2036. It's not 2036.
This one is tricky.
I don't know.
I know why I put it like that.
I give up.
You give up? Don't give up, please.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Listen.
No, you're not doing.
Listen, they'll tell you the trick.
I will tell
This
you
one
the
is a
trick now.
catch.
Don't worry. You see, if you look at what I've been doing so far, all of them, the second one is always 2 digits, right?
Yes.
Here, look at here, 16. Here is 21. You must make this one 2 digits also. 1 times 9. Is that
Put the
okay?
0 in front of that man.
So now put 0 in front of it. 2009. That's the final answer. That is the final answer. That's just it.
2009.
So this one will just give you, let me go straight, 4 times 5. This will give you 1 times 9. But I will put 1 times 9. So here is 20. This should be 2 digits. I put 0 in front, giving you 2009. Do you now understand?
I understand.
Do you now understand? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's for that one. Let's now see another one that will make you happy. Is that okay? That will make you what? Happy. That's for today. I think that will be the last for today. Which is that one? I can't exhaust the notification for today. We'll continue next class. So it is anything that ends 2 digits that ends with 1. They both end with what? 1. 2 digits that end with what? 1. That end with what? 1. Add that. So easy. So what? Easy. What do is simple? For instance, let's say you have 31 times 61. How do you do this? So the first thing is you multiply this together. Multiply the beginning together, 3 times 6. Is that okay? At the middle, you add them together. At the middle, you do what? Add them together. This is 3 plus 6. Then at the end, you put 1 times 1. That's all. This is what? 18. This is 9. And this is what? 1. So end it, we have 1,891. That's all.
8,000.
Can you not tell me what this is going to be? 71 times 91.
Yeah. I'm sorry, this one.
7 times 9. 63. 7 plus 9 is 9 plus 7 is 63,000.
You add 1. You do it normally. It will be 64.
Oh, yes. 6,400.
61. 6461.
That is just the final answer.
That
is the final answer.
6,160.
Yes. 7 times 9 is 63. Then we have 7 plus 9 is what? 16. 1 times 1 is 1. But this one here, like I said, it will always move to this one, add to this. So that will give you 64. Here is 6, 1. Join them together, you have 6,461. Okay, let me take the last one. The last one, that one is also simple. Because I don't, they go together. The next class will be. How do you find the square of a number that ends with 5? That one is easy. I believe so. Let's say we are taking 25, 12. So what you do there is 25 times 25.
120.
Right? So you are taking these two. These two, you multiply it with what? 2 times 2 plus 1 again. Then you multiply this one at the back. That's all. 2 times 5 times 5. So here is like 2 times 3. Here is 25. Here is 6. 25. Join them together, you have 625. With that, you can now tell me what the answer will be to 95 squared.
9 times 10, that is 9. 5 times 5 is 5. 900.
9,000.
What do you say?
9,025.
Correct. So this one is going to give you 9 times 10, and this will give you 5 times 5. This is 90 here, this is 25. Join them together, you get 9,025. Just like that. So this will be the end of the class for today. For we parents, let's think of what to do. We'll talk on the platform tomorrow to see how we can now go further on this. How to assist the students perfectly based on their category and what we can do for them. So that one will be tomorrow's business. So let's meet tomorrow at the meal number 1, teaching math and physics. Start the day of the morning. See you next time and bye for now. So the recorded videos will be sent later.
Okay, sir.
See you when I see you and bye for now. Oh. Thank you.